I disappeared for a while, not because I was busy, not because I gave up, not because something dramatic happened to me, but because I didn't know who I was becoming. And that's a very strange place to be in. Like when nothing is clearly wrong, when nothing feels right either. Everyone around me looked like they had a direction. Some were building something, some were earning, some were moving fast, some were posting achievement, some were falling in love, some were glowing. And I was just
I know you tried so hard.
I mean, nothing happened to me. I was doing great in my life. I was doing projects. I was achieving my goals. I was earning and I was enjoying. And on the top of it, in the last sem, I got my very first paid internship. So I was not lazy, not careless, just thinking, questioning everything. Am I doing enough? Am I behind? Why does everyone look so sure? Why do I feel so unsure? At 20, nobody tells you this. You start outgrowing people, outgrowing habits, outgrowing your old self. And it don't even feel excited. It feel lonely. और सबसे scary part पता क्या है? You don't recognize yourself in this process.
Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
You look at old photos and think, was it really me? You read old chats and realize, I don't even talk like that anymore. You still sit with friends, and even though you are there, mentally you are somewhere else. You smile less, you think more, you talk less, you observe more, you stop reacting, you start reflecting. And people might say you have changed, and they are right somewhere. Because you have, but they don't see what it cost you. Because growing up isn't loud, it's quiet, it's subtle, it's sitting alone in your room, questioning your entire identity. It's realizing that the things that once excited you don't hit the same anymore. It's understanding that not everyone is meant to grow with you. कभी कभी हम लोगों को नहीं छोड़ते हैं, बस वो हमसे आगे निकल जाते हैं या फिर हम उनसे आगे. And that gap, that silence, emotional distance, that hurts. Here's what I realized. Maybe this was never about finding people. Maybe this is about finding yourself. Because one day while I was sitting alone in my room overthinking as usual, I realized something. I wasn't lost. I was evolving. We call it confusion, but maybe it's construction. When a building is under construction, it looks messy from outside, dust everywhere, broken pieces, noise, uncertainty, but deep inside, structure is forming. Maybe this phase isn't a breakdown. Maybe it's becoming, and maybe the discomfort is necessary. Maybe the silence is important, maybe the distance is protection, and maybe this version of you is shedding the old you. You are not late, you are not behind, you are not falling, you are transitioning. And transition comfortable नहीं होती. It stretches you, it isolates you, it makes you feel stronger. It makes you doubt yourself, but it also shapes you. So if you feel behind, if you feel discomforted, if you feel like disappearing sometimes, maybe you are not weak, maybe you are just rebuilding. और हर बार life loud नहीं होती, बस अंदर ही अंदर rebuild हो रही होती है. And rebuilding doesn't look pretty, but it makes you stronger. And one day, you look back at the silent phase and realize this was the moment you started becoming who you are meant to be. I disappeared and I realized I wasn't disappearing from the world. I was just meeting myself, my older version. And this strange feeling is well and fine because you are transitioning. And maybe that's enough.